Beyond your initial efforts to discover the facts, it is also part of your role to help the attorneys understand information received from the other side. Attorneys will need you to explain technical issues to them and to explain answers from opposing experts so that they can better realize how the technical facts affect their case. When you first get into litigation support, you may think that you will be able to tell the lawyers what they need and want to know. You may assume that they will ask you questions about your specialty and that you will give them the technical nitty-gritty. In reality, they often do not even know what to ask. You will have an incredible leg up on your competition if you can learn in advance what attorneys need from you but cannot easily enunciate. In this fashion, a key tactic to remember is that lawyers need you to help them define the questions to ask, as well as then explaining the answers they receive. What the attorneys call interrogatories are questions that they submit to the other side in a case. These questions lead to answers and help them in the discovery phase of the case. Once you understand the technical portions of the case, you can suggest interrogatories that will help to uncover the technical facts for both your attorney and you. Sometimes you'll have to tell your attorney what are the most and the least important technical elements of the case. Also, your role will include helping the attorneys decide what questions to ask the opposing experts during a deposition or in a trial. If you accompany your attorney to the deposition of an opposing expert, you can help enormously by identifying initial questions to ask of the opposing expert, as well as follow-on questions. Remember, though, you should not design your questions from the point of view of being an advocate for your side. You just need the technical facts. Your attorney needs to know the quantity and quality of technical information the other side's expert possesses. You may agree or disagree with the side that hired you, but you must maintain a level of objectivity in assessing the facts and in drawing conclusions that you intend to present to the court. It is your job throughout to attain and obtain some new facts, analyze others, and explain the key facts that form the basis of your eventual opinions. To grow as an expert witness and contribute more successfully with each case, you should understand the legal process more completely. It is not a question of whether you have the technical expertise. The question continues to be whether you can apply your expertise and your knowledge of the subject matter to the elements of each individual case you take on. The question is whether you can organize your information well, present it effectively to your clients, and potentially testify to it successfully. Perhaps the biggest failing of subject matter experts is their inability to expand their expertise into the legal setting. You have to understand how the legal process works to help attorneys organize and present their case, at least to the extent the case relies on your expertise. Are you even comfortable with the thought of proactively helping attorneys? A question that experts rarely ask their attorneys directly is, quote, "What are you trying to accomplish and how can I help you?" End quote. It may surprise you how much you can help once you know the attorney's legal goals.